So now we have our plugin installed and our bonus page created. Now what we want to do is we want to create our bonus delivery site. So again, we're going to go click on Pages, click on Add New, and again, we're going to look through the templates. So the first thing we want to do is we want to create our home page. Now the home page is going to be the first page that your customers log into and see. This page is going to give them a little bit of an introduction to you, how your bonus system works, and how you're going to deliver all your bonuses going forward. So just to give you a little preview of what this page looks like. So it has our header, all our information. This menu will continue to grow, and I'll show you that. You can add your picture here. There's some information below here on how to get a hold of you through support, all that kind of stuff. So this is going to be the first page that everyone sees. Now, to create this page, you want to start here with this bonus page creator options. So when we go to the options page, this is where we can add our header slice, our header image. This is how the menu is going to work. So if we want to create another menu item in the header, we could say tools, for example, and then we could take them to another website. Okay, so this is how you create your menu system. Okay, once that's all done, come back up here, save your options. So once we go back to this page, when we reload it, you will see that we have another menu item up here, and it goes to bing.com. Okay, so this is the first page that we want to have. So let's go back to our pages and start building this page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to have a welcome text. You can change this text here to say whatever you want. Welcome home. You can put your name in here. Whatever message you want to put in here. You can change your picture. You can add your photo, which I suggest that you do to start branding yourself, branding your image, branding your company. And then you just want to give them a little bit of information on that home page. How to get you through support, all that kind of stuff. Just a little bit of information on how this page works. So that's your home page. Okay. So we'll just save that as a draft. So the next thing we want to do is we want to create the bonus delivery page. So again, we're going to create a new page. We're going to go bonus redemption. And as again, you can see how the options have changed. So bonus redemption. Okay, so again, you can add your logo image here, your title. So we can go main title. And you can kind of see what this page looks like. So again, we can change this image up here. That's this image right here. So we can add an image right here. I don't really have one in there that we can use, but that will change this image right here to whatever you want. Now going through the fields, you can see that we can change all the information. Okay, so you can change all this information in here. Thank you for purchasing my affiliate promo through my link. You can add some stuff here. I put in if this is refunded, you'll lose access to these products. And then you can start to add your special bonuses down here. So you can add an image. Again, we'll use this. Here's our title. Here's the link to where they can download it. Here's the instructions. If you need instructions, if it's a piece of software or plugin or something, you can give them some instructions. And then here's the link. Okay. So once we go back and check the preview on this, you'll see that some of this stuff has changed. Here's our download link. Not that it's going to open up into anything because we didn't actually put a link in there, but that's how that works. Okay, so that's your bonus redemption page. So it makes it very, very easy as you move forward. If you have multiple promotions that you do, that you have successful campaigns and these, bonuses work, you can just duplicate that page, clone that page, use those bonuses, make a couple additions and changes to fit the product that you're promoting. And it makes it really, really quick to create new promotions. Now, the last one that we want to add is our bonuses template. So what this does is as we create this page, it's going to show all the other bonuses that you've created. Obviously, we haven't created anywhere and posted anything here. But what we'll do is we'll add our bonuses in here. We'll put my bonuses. So this gives you another way to get affiliate commissions by seeing other promotions. Yeah, you've offered bonuses because maybe it's a launch for the affiliate product or promo, but at least you can keep all your bonuses in here. And as your new customers start to see your bonuses, like your bonuses, they can come in here and access your other bonuses, so you're still making affiliate commissions on those. So again, we can kind of come in here and create, we'll just put some thumbnails and different things in here. So my bonuses, you can type your description in here. You can add pictures if you want to, and then you would put your affiliate link right here or to your bonus page. And then as you can see, when we go to the preview, you start to add in. So this is going to show all the different promotions that you've done, all the different launches you've participated in. So when they come and click on this link, not that it's going to open up into anything, but as they click on that link, it's going to take them to either the affiliate page, or through your affiliate link to the sales page. And when they access that, you're going to start making more and more commissions. So this is the way that you want to build your bonus sites, your bonus vault, your bonus delivery system to obviously continue to create more income out of one promotion. So we've created affiliate commission through the bonus page by increasing your commissions because of more volume through the bonus. You're offering a great site. You're giving away your bonuses. You can give away bonuses within your bonus, and then plus you can access, or your customers can access all your other bonuses through your bonus site, which is going to, again, increase your commissions.